Hey, I'm Sam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new product, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful drone with a 4K camera and advanced obstacle sensing, this one might be for you. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and whether it's worth your money. First things first, the DJI Mini 4 Pro weighs under 249 grams, meaning in most cases you won't need to register it. That's a huge plus if you want hassle-free flying. It's small enough to fit in your hand, making it perfect for travel. The included DJI RC-N2 controller works smoothly with your phone, giving you full control over flights. Now let's talk about the camera, a major selling point of the Mini 4 Pro. It shoots in 4K at 60 FPS with HDR, making it perfect for capturing stunning sunsets, landscapes, or even nighttime shots. And the best part? You can shoot vertical videos, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The HDR feature enhances colors and contrast, giving you professional quality footage straight out of the camera. Flying this drone is a breeze, even if you're a beginner. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it detects objects in all directions to help prevent crashes. Whether you're flying near trees or buildings, this feature adds a layer of safety. And let's talk about flight time. You get up to 34 minutes per battery, which is impressive for a mini drone. If you grab the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, it extends up to 45 minutes. For content creators, the Active Track 360-degree feature is a game changer. It lets you track and follow subjects smoothly, making cinematic shots effortless. If you're into immersive flight, you can pair it with DJI's goggles and motion controller for an FPV-like experience. All right, let's sum it up with the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and no registration required in most cases, 4K 60 FPS HDR video with vertical shooting, omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer flights, up to 20km FHD transmission range, long battery life, 34 mins per charge. Cons: Battery Plus activates remote ID registration, no side sensors, but strong front back-up down sensing, higher price compared to other mini drones. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice if you want high-quality footage, smart tracking, and advanced safety features in a lightweight drone. So is this the right drone for you? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested, check out the product link in my bio for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.